Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about XRP, trying to figure out if this bullish surge is going to continue or is this a fake out. You guys can see over the last couple of days in XRP that the market has exceeded a lot of our seller pockets. You guys can see that these buyers has successfully bypassed these pockets as if they're no problem. So maybe the surge can continue higher in XRP. So let's go ahead and break this down real quick. The first thing we're going to do is talk about our last price prediction XRP, which was on the 23rd of October. You guys can see that I was talking about looking for the price to go lower, and that's pretty much what it did. But you guys can see that these buyers told us right there on the 25th of October, and then again here on like November 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th, that they was willing to buy the cryptocurrency right there in his buyer's pocket around 50 cents. This is what led up to this massive breakup that we saw on November the 6th. These days right here that we saw XRP holding his buyer's pocket. That was the indication right there. So did you see and take the profit out the market in XRP when it came to his buyer's pocket? Because if so, the market only garnered us 5.25%. That was it. We couldn't get any more out the market from that point because that's when the price went up. Okay, so let's get rid of that price prediction. Let's also get rid of the seller's pockets, that one, this one, and now this one. Okay, so when we erase these seller's pockets, we can now create buyer's pockets, considering that this market is bullish in XRP. So there's one there. And if we were to take this to a smaller time frame, like 330-minute chart, you guys can see that there are other pockets into the market here for XRP as well. Okay, so we're going to create these buyer's pockets here for XRP, because the idea is that the market is still strong. Like, that's the current thesis that we're going to hold on to, is that this trend that XRP is currently on is going to continue until we see this market break trend, which is right here. Okay, so this is the current trend in XRP. Price currently is breaking away from the trend line, so you would expect eventually the market is going to come back down and test that trend line. Okay, which is why we just created these buyer's pockets here. Okay, so keep that in mind as well. Now here is XRP on the 2, and as you can see, we haven't seen price in XRP trade around this 70-cent area ever since March of this year. So it's been about almost a whole year that we haven't seen XRP trade this high in price. The last time we saw the market come here at 70 cents, price completely collapsed. And it happened once. It happened the first time back in November 2023. So this is a massive area that we need to see price in XRP break. If we don't see the market break this seller's pocket, you expect the market to come back down, right? So we won't be surprised if XRP is unable to break through this seller's pocket. Okay, don't be surprised, don't be alarmed, don't question. We already know the reason. Okay, so now here it is on the 3, XRP on the 4, XRP on the 5. Here it is on the weekly chart. Okay, so right now it's just kind of like a wait and see. Currently, the idea is that the market is still bullish, but we're going to be cautious because we are trading at a seller's pocket that buyers have not been successful at. The thing that is different this time in XRP is that we're getting more bullish price bars. So right here in XRP on the weekly chart, we got 2 currently back-to-back indications of strength that we didn't receive back in February and March timeframe, or even in November time frame of 2023. We didn't see that. So that is different this go around than what's been seen the last couple of times we saw price in XRP trade around 70 cents. Okay, so I'm not overly ecstatic, I'm not massively bullish because of the history that we've seen XRP trade at this seller's pocket. But yes, we can expect that the market's going to at least attempt to break through the seller's pocket and go higher. So I think we need to put this on the chart then. Okay, so let's look at this on the 7-hour chart. So one thing that you can see on the 7-hour chart is right here on this buyer's pocket, to where we saw these 2 prior 7-hour bars hint at selling pressure, but then immediately on the 7-hour bar, the market went right back up. So these sellers are having a hard time keeping the buyers at bay. It's like these buyers really want to break XRP above that zone. And so far, the market still looks pretty bullish to me. My only issue is that we may not break the seller's pocket. I mean, that's what we're up against. That's what we call risk when you look at the charts. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and anticipate that XRP is going to continue to trend up in price. And we're going to place this back on the daily chart. Okay. Now we got this pocket here. I would like to see when price do come down in XRP that it holds 64, 65 cents, but that's no guarantee. So let's bring it down one more. Okay, so now this is our first target in XRP. It's this top portion of this pocket, 4.65%, right there around 74 and a quarter, close to 75 cents. Okay. Next area will have to be at these areas that we haven't seen price in XRP trade. Like maybe 78 cents, 80 cents. Okay, so we'll do that. We'll go ahead and do 78 cents as our second target, which is 9.83%. And then 80 cents as our third target. Okay, so now, if I don't see the market, if I see, let me show you what I'm talking about. If I see the market XRP kind of show us like it's having issues, trying to break through that seller's pocket, like the market's slowly dipping, going lower, then I'm looking for price to go down. But if I see the market XRP do this, like it's really hugging this seller's pocket, like it doesn't want to fall, then I'm looking for the price to go up. That's what you need to be paying attention to as we go forward into the market for XRP for the month of November, going into December. All right, so that is it. I am finished. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.